Hello, UT Warriors. How are you all doing? Are you struggling to achieve that radiant, glowing skin? With so many products and routines out there, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. But don't worry, a simple and effective skincare routine can make all the difference in achieving and maintaining healthy, beautiful skin. Today, we're exploring how to create a skincare routine for radiant skin and its significance. A well thought out skincare routine tailored to your skin type can improve your skin's health, texture, and appearance. Let's break down the essential steps to help you build a routine that works for you. Benefits. Here are the key steps to creating a skincare routine for radiant skin and their benefits. Cleansing significance. Cleansing removes dirt, oil, and impurities from your skin, creating a clean base for the next steps. Tip. Choose a gentle cleanser suited for your skin type, oily, dry, combination, or sensitive, and cleanse twice a day, morning and night. Exfoliating significance. Exfoliating helps remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and promote cell turnover for smoother, brighter skin. Tip. Use a chemical exfoliant like AHAs or BHAs, or a physical exfoliant 1-3 times a week, depending on your skin's sensitivity. Toning significance. Toning helps balance your skin's pH, remove any leftover impurities, and prepare your skin for better absorption of the next products. Tip. Apply a toner suited for your skin type using a cotton pad or your hands. Serums significance. Serums contain concentrated active ingredients that target specific skin concerns like hydration, brightening, or anti-aging. Tip. Choose a serum based on your skin's needs, such as hyaluronic acid for hydration or vitamin C for brightening. Moisturizing significance. Moisturizing helps lock in hydration, strengthen the skin barrier, and keep your skin soft and supple. Tip. Select a moisturizer appropriate for your skin type and apply it after your serum. Sun protection significance. Protecting your skin from harmful UV rays prevents premature aging, sunburn, and reduces the risk of skin cancer. Tip. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every day, even on cloudy days and during winter. Examples. Let's take an example. Meet Anjali. Anjali struggled with dull and uneven skin tone. After following a tailored skincare routine that included cleansing, exfoliating, toning, applying serums, moisturizing, and using sunscreen, she noticed a significant improvement. Her skin became more radiant, even-toned, and healthy-looking. Call to action. Now it's your turn, Ute Warriors. Start building your skincare routine for radiant skin and experience the benefits firsthand. Share your progress and favorite products with us in the comments below, or tag us using Chura Ute Warriors Radiant Skin. Let's support each other in achieving glowing and healthy skin. That's it for today, Ute Warriors. Keep shining, keep earning, and as always, stay unstoppable. Catch you in the next one.